In this video, we will understand diseases. The term disease literally means without ease or being uncomfortable. It is just the opposite of health. When a person is affected by a disease, either the functioning or the appearance of one or more systems of the body will change for the worse. The changes give rise to symptoms and sign of disease. On the basis of the symptoms, the physicians look for the sign of a particular disease and conduct tests to confirm the disease. Maintaining good health through healthy lifestyle choices and preventive healthcare measures can help prevent the onset of diseases and disabilities. Regular medical checkups, screenings, vaccinations, and health education promote early detection of health problems and timely intervention. Types of diseases. A. Acute diseases. Acute diseases, which last for only very short period of time and affect body suddenly and quickly. Example, cold, cough, typhoid, etc. B. Chronic diseases. The disease which last for a long time, even as much as a lifetime, are called chronic disease. Example, tuberculosis, cardiovascular diseases, etc. What causes diseases? We know that diseases can be caused by two factors. Internal factors in our body, such as hormonal imbalance, allergic reaction, genetic disorder, malfunctioning of body organs. External factors such as unhealthy diet, disease-causing germs, bacteria, viruses, fungi, pollution in the environment, unhealthy lifestyle. Diseases may be due to infectious and non-infectious cause. A. Infectious causes. These are the extrinsic or external disease-causing factors. Diseases where microbes are the immediate causes are called infectious diseases. The infection spreads from one person to another. B. Non-infectious causes. These are the intrinsic or internal disease-causing factors. Some diseases that do not spread in the community but remains internal are called non-infectious diseases. Example, cancer, genetic abnormalities, high blood pressure, etc. Infectious diseases spread through air. Causes airborne diseases due to bacteria, virus, example common cold, influenza, measles, tuberculosis. Food and water is caused due to contaminated food and water that contains bacteria, virus, worm, etc. Example, cholera, typhoid and hepatitis. Contact. Many diseases spread by contact of infected person with the healthy person. Examples, fungal infection, scabies, etc. AIDS and syphilis spread due to sexual contact. Body fluids. Body fluids like blood, semen, mother milk, when infected, can also cause disease. Example, AIDS. Antibiotics. These are the chemicals, medicine, drugs that block biochemical pathways important for bacteria. They are used for diseases caused by bacteria. Antibiotics do not work against viral infections as the viruses do not have their own biochemical mechanisms but depend upon that of the host. These antibiotics function by alteration of cell membranes, inhibition antimetabolite activity, inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis, inhibiting of cell wall synthesis, a most common mechanism, inhibition of protein synthesis, translation, second largest class. Principles of treatment. First, to reduce the effects of the diseases by taking medicines to bring down the effects of the disease like fever, pain, etc., and by taking complete rest to conserve the body's energy. Second, to kill the cause of the disease by taking suitable antibiotics and drugs which kill the disease causing microbes. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.